Hey guys, I'm SharktheBuilder. I'm a general contractor and I'm a licensed insurance agent. I can get a little silly sometimes. I think I should be a comedian. However, I am an ultimate hustler. I'm a graphic and website designer and a AI content creator. I've been in a relationship my entire adult life and now I'm newly single, so I'm outside in these streets. At least I try to be, but not really. I get to do my dream job as a designer. Follow me on this journey while I F around and find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Shark. Be swimming around in these YouTube streets by myself. I'm about to show you how to build a free website. So I was actually using Wix. And I've been paying Wix for the last, I'll say 10 to 15 years per website. I used to build websites for people. I would set them up on a yearly plan or monthly plan, and it gets expensive when you have more than one website. So basic websites with all the little bells and whistles around $30. So imagine owning 2 and 3 companies, you got 2 and 3 websites. So I figured out that with Canva, you can actually have a free website. So this is what I'm about to show you. So this is the Shark Insurance Agency website. I am also a licensed insurance agent and a general contractor. Okay, so here you can see all this cool stuff. Click here to apply. The buttons work. Book appointment. We can click on these different links here. Nice little video. What you didn't see is a lot of this stuff on this website move, but I'm just showing you this really quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna close out of that. Okay, so I used Canva. I actually used Canva for all of my designs. I build other people's websites. I do all kind of stuff, and I also design people. I do people's social media marketing, and I do the designs in Canva. So we're going to go to the top. We're going to type in website, and this is how we're going to find a template. We're going to scroll down, and let's just find something we like. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I like this. Welcome to the team here. So let's pick this template here. And hey, Donna, she cute. Okay, so we're going to customize this template. And we are going to build a free website. Now, I'm just going to show you the basics. Scrolling through, you can kind of see this is pretty much a landing page. But that's all you need for right now. You don't need to spend a lot of money building a website. You can do something like this, and you can do it yourself. You don't have to hire somebody unless you really want to. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is welcome to the team, Donna. We're going to say welcome to the team, Shark. You can change that to be whatever you want. This is for informational purposes, and I'm going to use one of my infamous pink colors. So right now what I'm doing is just changing the colors, making on my own, and I want to throw my picture up in the air. Let's see, where am I? I'm somewhere in here. Okay, here go a picture. I like this one. Actually, I'm going to drag it over. Okay, that will look okay. And you can just change the words to whatever you want the words to be. You can change the colors. If I don't want this background to be black, I could change it to purple. I could change it to red. Whatever color I want it to be, okay? That's actually okay. You can throw your logo right here. So I have a logo in my brands already. For let's do for the Shark Agency, because this is for informational purposes. And you're just gonna make this small, whatever size you want. Okay. Now scroll down. I can throw in a different picture. Let's say I want to throw in I had a kitchen. This is one of my remodeling projects that I completed. Introduction, whatever. We're going to change this color. And you can literally go through this page and just customize it to make it your own. You can change this page. Let's say, for instance, you don't need a page like this. You can go to design and you can find something different. Okay. You can click on recently used, which these are the pages that I currently have here. And you can change these around. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. All right. If I wanted to flip these two pages around, all I got to do is move it up or move it back down. You can hide a page so people can't see it, and you can unhide it. Okay. You can also lock the page if you don't want to make any changes, and you can duplicate it. So I'm just going to delete that. If I just wanted to add another page without nothing on it, you see this button that says add page. You can do that, okay? And I'm going to hit the delete. So you're going to go through here, finish this up, make this your own. And you can do one or two things. They do have it where you can add a navigation to this, and you can navigate between these pages here. Or you can do something like what I did with my page and add a navigation at the top. So if I click on work from home, a new page is going to pop up for me. My internet is slow right now, guys, so that's why it's moving a little slow. But I do have a blog here, and I can actually click on learn more, and then that blog page will pop up. This is something I did extra for myself. If you click on workshops right now, I got that coming soon, and specials. Get up to 4K in grant money. It looked a little weird because it's actually my internet connection. Okay, so you can create this navigation here, and I'll actually just show you really quickly how to create the navigation, if that's what you want. Or you can have a simple navigation that comes with this, but I need to be a little extra, right? Nothing just can't be that simple for me. So right now, I'm just throwing a navigation up real quick. And you need to make sure you have your link. So I'm going to throw some words on here really quickly. Let's see. So let's say we're going to have a navigation for team. We can duplicate that, and then we want another button for, let's name it something. Resources. Maybe we have a navigation button for, let's say, about me. Okay, you can build it any kind of way you want. You can, if you want, add some elements behind these words. You can also do that. Just throw a little box or a button. It's up to you how you want to design it. I'm just going to go over to the position and let's see, where is my box? It's here. Nope, it disappeared. I must have deleted it. So I'm just gonna, okay. Added a button. There we go. Change my position. So you can add buttons. You can duplicate them. And this is just for, I'm moving kind of quick. It's not going to be perfect. I just want you guys to get the gist of how this works. Okay. All right, so I then built a little navigational box up here. Each one of these links, you have to create links. Each one is going to need its own web address, okay? Now, once you get done designing your website, everything is complete. Next thing you want to do is click Publish Website. If you already own your own URL, which is great, and that's your .com or your .net or your .org, great. If you need to purchase a new one, you can click on Get Domain. You can bring your own domain, you can buy a new domain, or you can claim a free Canva domain. I don't like the free Canva domains because it's going to have the canva.com or whatever it is. I don't like that. I like to have my own, but that's totally up to you and your budget. Now, if you bring in your own domain, Canva only allows you to have 5 domains that they allow you to bring in, which means you're paying for your .com. You're going to pay around anywhere from $11 to $20 a month for your a year for your .com, or you're going to buy one through Canva for the $18.99. That's up to you. You can go to GoDaddy and buy one, or you can buy it through Canva. If you buy it through Canva, you can have unlimited domains. If you bring them in, you're going to only have up to 5, so don't forget that, okay? Once you save it and publish website, then you're going to do your subpaths, which will be, you're going to have a subpath to team, a subpath to resources, a subpath to about me. And you got you a free website. Click publish website, and it's going to look like this. These are subpaths, okay? And really, that's how easy it is to do a free website on Canva. You can have a free Canva account. However, I pay $12 for mine. I think I'm grandfathered in because I had my Canva account for a really long time, for some years now. But you really can have a free site. You're going to use Canva anyway for your designs and things like that. So you're going to pay the $12 a month to use Canva and run your free website through it. And you can actually make you some money by building websites for other people, because you see how easy it is to just plug and play. They create the templates for you. You know, you can create these things to have animations. So yeah, you can mess around with it and do whatever you want. So this is the video on how to create your own free website. Please like, subscribe, share these videos. I'm so glad to be back making videos for you guys. I've been gone for a little while. Shark needed to have some shark time and get herself together, aka my mental health wasn't the best. Back in the day, your mama used to say, just go to sleep or eat some muscle meal or something like that. But yeah, I had to get myself together. So I'm back. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can know when my videos are going to upload. Bye.